Python variables. To understand that, let's take an example. We have a person. I want to store the information about this person. So first I'll store his name in a variable called name. Let's say the name of a person is Ram. So here name becomes my variable and the value stored in this variable is Ram. How do I print this? It's very simple. We'll use print function to print this name. When we run this, you can see here we are getting the name of a person, that is Ram. Now, let's say I will change the name to Sham now. Name is equal to Sham. Now, if I try to print this now, what happens? So let me comment this print function. So let's run this. Here you can see that it is printing Sham. Why? Because first I am assigning a name Ram to this name variable, and in the next fourth line I am changing the name to Sham. So the variable is getting overwritten. I hope you understood. Now let's make a little change here. Instead of this name, I'll use capital N here and let's print this name. Now let's try to run this and check what happens. So here you can see both names are getting printed. That is because variable names are case sensitive. Here I hope you are clear with this. So in general, variables are nothing but a container that stores information. So till now we have assigned string values to this variable. That means here Ram and Sham is string value. Now in the similar fashion we can assign numeric data to variables. So let's see that. Now let's try to store the age of this person. So I'll take a variable here as age. So age is equal to 25 years. Now let's print this age. So let's run this. Here you can observe we are getting name along with his age. So here can we make use of print function to print more than one data? Yes, of course you can write more than one data here. So here I'll take a single quote and name is colon. After that you have to give comma here. So here this is the string you are going to print. After that you are going to print the value assigned to this name. Here also we will make same changes. Age is comma. So let's run this now. Here you can observe name is Ram, age is 25. So this is how you can use print function to print more than one data. Suppose instead of this variable name is like name, I can simply take n and here I'll try to print this n. Let's run this and check whether name will be printed. Yes, still name is getting printed. But if I give n here, it doesn't make any sense, right? Like what it is denoting. If I give here name, so here from this variable name itself, I can make up this is something that is related to name. So always use variable names which are more readable and more understandable. So while writing variable names or while making use of variables, we need to follow some variable naming convention. So what are they? First one is first character of a variable name should be an alphabet or underscore, and the rest of the characters may contain lowercase, uppercase or the digits. And important thing is where you cannot use keywords as variable names. Suppose if, else, these you cannot make use as variable names. And next thing is variable names are case sensitive and variable names cannot contain white spaces or special characters. To watch more videos on Python, stay tuned to our channel and also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates.